I would like to present about the conclusion and recommendation in two projects in two small village sites and in Lao, PDR. Yeah, we project took the four approach in the two sites in Lao. Four approach. Yeah. First approach is establish a fisheries organization, FMC. Second approach, grasp the situation of the local fisheries and fisheries resources. We research the fisheries situation and the fishery resources stock. And approach 3, development of measure to conserve manage the fisheries resources. And the fourth approach is development measure to improve the livelihood fisheries, aquaculture business, and processing business. And then we took the four approaches in the two sides, and it's common approach. And then first approach, establish a fisheries organization, FMC, and under the project established FMC, and it is needed to platform for fishers to manage a fisheries resource by themselves. In Lao, it can be established by going through the legislation process with the government. Government already decided how to establish the FMC. And under the FMC, in each site, the fishers formulate the fisheries rules and surveillance activity and develop fisheries processing product. And I try to already show that establishment FMC. Next one. Vision of fisheries. And in order to take a fishery resources, it is necessary to understand the situation of the fisheries village, fishery resources condition. And then the project conducted the social economic survey and also statistics survey, catch data, collecting catch data. Also, a survey to assessment the fisheries resources stocks. We, under the project, we collecting data and analysis of the data. This is, we show that this she is in Kamuan, collecting the data. And also we analysis the data. After, please look at the report. And then, third approach is development of the measure of conserving the management fishery resources. Thus conducted, formulate operation rule, and we try to make a consensus for complying with the rule of the fisheries and the establishment of the conservation area protect fisheries resources, and the installation buoy to identify clearly location of a conservation. Fishermen cannot where is a conservation zone, so this project installed the buoy, and then installation of the signboard. A closed season, closed area, and the conservation area is take awareness to fishers, especially part-time fishers. A lot of fishers there in the non-swans village areas, reservoir areas, and also implementation of a fisheries surveillance activity. This is installation buoy and also installation time ball and brochures. And the final activity is improvement of livelihood. Measure to increase the fishers' income. The project to try to the instruction of aquaculture and instruction of processing industry. And first, aquaculture, we provided the training course for aquaculture technique, input the aquaculture materials, facilities, and juvenile fishes. And the fisherman can start over already had started of the aquaculture already in Kaman village. Namupakan, Kaman province is already started with aquaculture business. Also, introduce actual production, fishing processing products, and also starting the make a fisherman's wife, making group, and start processing production business, fish processing production business. And then final, this is under the project. These 4 approaches already done, conducted, and this project we I think this is approach fourth approach. It gets effective result for strengthening fisheries resource management. And the final recommendation. Recommendation is okay. I already explained that. The 4 approaches was effective, and reason why that approach is effective, because it's conducted by fisheries themselves, actively participated. That is a very important point. So, important point is development awareness of fisheries. Use the local fisheries resources as their own asset. This is the fishermen is take awareness for the own fisheries resources, and next fishers themselves have to formulating a regulation, the surveillance activity, and fishermen themselves is already have done under this project. So the end, it is important to organize the established system for the resources, fisheries resource management by fishers themselves. That is a very important factor in the success of this activity in the small scale fisheries. And finally, enable sustainable use for fisheries resources is necessary. Prevent the increasing fishing effort. This is, of course, the need to prevent the increasing fishing effort. But this is in the futures of this point of inland waters in South Asia. There are large number of part-time fishers. This is more than full-time fishers. Large number. There are large numbers, and part-time fishers are free operation fishing because lack of the fishing license system. So, future it is necessary examine how to manage the part-time fishers. Under this project, this program remained. That's a recommendation. And then this is finished. But before finish it, I want to say that I have a chance to go to the site and, with the staff, and then many fishermen I can see. I could see that fishers themselves changed. Fishing village also changing because and some fishermen's group conducting surveillance activity. This is amazing because there are three teams every day conducting surveillance activity, and 2 times arrest the illegal fishers and take a penalty for the illegal fisher, $100 US. This is amazing. And also, fisherman's wife is making group and starting processing products, and this selling to the market very good price and get the money. And when I went to the site, the fisherman's wife group making the dishes for selling to wedding parties, or maybe very good quality, very good taste, I think. This is a Namsan case. So in this project, that we can say that's a little project, but fishing village, fishermen and fisherman's wife change it. So I'm very happy to join this project, and I can see the changing fishing village and changing fishermen. That is for me, very happy because I joined. Sorry, my impression of impressive scenes. So I want to say like this point. Thank you very much.